This is so cool. Look how pretty. They put a mirror on the refrigerator door. It's got a rear kitchen. All right, this is kind of cool. Really cozy.
That's where our journey began, with a travel trailer. Most people start out here, whether it's a small A-liner or pop-up, or a hard shell like this one. This particular model is a tow behind, and for many people this is all they'll ever need for the weekender, and even several people who are full-time.
So here's another example of a travel trailer. We started out with a travel trailer, and this has a really neat design. I'm going to show it to you. Let's go on in. This is the 22 MLE. It's by Grand Design. It's an Imagine. So I wasn't surprised when I saw the bed up front, but it's got a rear kitchen. This is kind of a cool design. And a full bathroom. Decent shower. I like this one. It looks like this is the slide with the recliners and up to the stove and the refrigerator, but the rest of it, no slide. And what I like is there's no step down. Great dinettes and really good storage. Oh, this is a really nice unit. Okay. Let's see what they have for storage outside. So I bet this is all the way through. That's a good basement. That's pretty standard.
So this is very similar. This is a MicroLite by Flagstaff, and this is what we had initially first, but this is not actually our model that we had. But this is a front kitchen.
Oh, let's go inside and see. That is different with the kitchen in the front. Yeah, look at this counter space. Woo! That's on a slide. Oh, it has a mid bath. Complete mid. There's the toilet, and here's the bedroom. The bed is on a slide, and this is a door that takes you outside so that on travel day, when that slide is in, you will still have access to this bathroom. The question is, oh, that's why they put the kitchen up front. Because the question is, when this slide is in on travel day, if you come to a rest stop, I bet you can still get into that refrigerator.
Yep, which ours couldn't do.
Now the only question with this one is, where's the dinette? Or where's your table? I bet you're gonna have TV trays to enjoy while you're sitting in your recliner.
Storage pockets.
That looks cool.
These are electric fireplaces, but they also are electric heaters. So it enables you to put some heat in the rig without having to use your propane as long as you're plugged in.
Oh, we like a fireplace. Oh yeah.
Nice little unit. Forest River makes a nice little rig. So do you own a pickup truck? Maybe this is what you're looking for. Truck campers have evolved amazingly over the years. Some of them even have slides, like this particular model.
Is there a slide in this one?
There's a slide on this one. I'm looking at it.
All right, let's take a look, because it is big inside. Look at that. That's what makes it big.
Look at the headroom.
Oh yeah, way up high. Yeah, the dinette is on the slide. That's where the width comes from. Oh boy, and it's got a bath.
It's got a wet bath.
It's got a wet bath, look at that. Oh, that's pretty nice. And the stove, oh my gosh, and microwave.
And an oven.
Yeah. Oh, this is a really nice one. I think a truck camper would be good for 2 people.
Yeah, absolutely. You could make that work.
Yep.
So if you've got an F250 or an F350, this is something you can detach, park under your carport, hook it up when you're ready to go camping and take off.
So the truck camper without the slide, let's take a look at that one. It still has the dinette. It still has the same shower, the same kitchen, the same bed area. The only difference in this one is the size of the dinette. This isn't bad either. All right, so we were showing you some truck campers. Take a look at this one. It's fiberglass.
One piece top, one piece bottom.
Whoa.
No water leak.
Oh, that's nice. You think you know truck campers? Take a look at this one. This one has what they consider a dry bath, and sure enough, look at that shower. Oh wow. That's a cool door. There's a lot of space in here. What a beautiful sleeping area. And this dinette. Oh, look at the little touches they did. It's a good stove and oven. Oh, wow, that's a serious cover over the sink. And lots of counter space. And cabinets. Oh, I like that. Refrigerator. Wow. They put a mirror on the refrigerator door. That is cool. That really opens the space up. And look up, we got fans and lights. But the piece de resistance, look at the awning. That's a really cool truck camper. All right, so this is the other concept for a travel trailer. It's the A-frame. What do we call these?
A-liners.
A-liners.
My father had one of these.
Yeah.
Just like that one. They've been around a long time. And the walls are hard and the roof is hard and it all folds together. And so then your profile is not much larger than a pop-up, but you have a hard shell trailer. And these are available, of course, with air conditioning. Some of them have stoves and refrigerators. You can get them pretty much done any way you want. Just a kind of a cute unit, gives you some headroom, perfect for one person or maybe even two. Let's take a look inside.
Oh, this isn't bad. I bet this makes into a bed or a sofa.
It does. It's exactly what my dad had.
Then you have the sink. You can put a little cook surface here. Over here it has a table. And what do you bet that this, what do you think's in here? I don't know.
This is the air conditioner.
Is the air conditioner?
Yeah, right here. What's in that cabinet? That. So in this cabinet is where the porta potty would be stored. At least that's where my dad stored his.
Well, that's cool. This one has a refrigerator and oven.
Refrigerator, microwave,
Oh, it's
stovetop.
bigger. Because on this side, oh, I bet this is the shower. I bet it's a shower.
Yeah, I think it is because I see the
Oh, my
straps on the
goodness.
ceiling.
Oh, yeah. So it has a wet bath. Have it all.
Ooh, something to talk about.
And I love the headroom.
Someone to dream about. Ooh, something to talk about.
That's pretty cool. Yep.
Okay, so maybe you're tired of temp camping. You want something a little more solid, a little more weatherproof, but you don't really want the big RV, the big travel trailer. Let's take a quick look inside some of these teardrops. Maybe that's what you're looking for.
Oh, yeah, that's real pretty.
A little window air conditioner unit.
A little bit bigger now. Take a look.
This one's got a microwave.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Table's up. Place to put stuff.
Little baby refrigerator down there.
It
Induction
is.
cooktop or gas cooktop?
Oh, well, it says Dometic. It's gas.
A little gas one. Got a
Yep.
little gas grill that mounts
Little sink.
outside here. Fantastic fan. Solar on the roof. So recharge your batteries. Currently making 13.6 volts.
Cool. A little bit bigger.
Yep.
Here's the max. All right, now we're talking. Oh, yeah.
This one's got a shower and everything.
Oh, yeah. This one, if you had to have a teardrop, this is significantly better than just a tent. You have the bed. You got the skylight there. Look at that. Talk about windows. And up here, it makes a sofa or a bed, or that's the dinette.
That's the dinette.
But-
this one has an optional bike carrier that comes with it.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. You can take a shower. You have a full head. This is a nice one.
Also equipped with solar.
And a mini max.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, here's a mini max.
Look at this. This one has a shower and toilet too.
Alright, all the back section makes a bed, sofa, table. Oh yeah.
This has a refrigerator with a separate freezer. Unbelievable.
Not bad. There's actually a lot of space in here. Alright, this is kind of cool. Really cozy. The teardrops. Take a look at this one. Oh, how pretty. Wow. Oh, wow, is this cool. Oh, let's go in. Whoa, pre-production photo type. This is so cool. Look how pretty.
Got a little wet bath in it and everything.
Wow, I love how this is set up. Ooh, wow.
Very
That
retro.
feels nice. Oh, wow. Look at this. That is a great wet bath. Oh,
This is
look.
called the Barefoot.
Nice storage. That's amazingly a lot of storage. Well, more than I thought would be. Oh, look, I got pockets and more space. Oh, this one's pretty. It's blue. I love it. Pre-production photo type. Wow.